Guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be changing out the blower motor. This is the brand new one. I already pulled the old one out. So there's this pin or this panel here. First you pull the glove box out. You just literally grab from like the top corner over here, pull in and up. Same on the other side, out and then up, and the whole glove box comes right out. And then there'll be an access panel down under here. Need a flathead screwdriver because there's two little pins. That one, oop, that one just popped out. And then there's one here. You just use a little flathead, pull it down a little bit. This comes out very easy. And then down under here, you unhook the little clear hose, the white and blue wire here. Unhook this wire here. This one goes to the blower motor. I unhooked this one back here just for safety precaution. But it's 3 bolts that hold it up right in here. 3 little screws. And that's literally all the job is. So you pull off the glove box, drop the access panel, pull 3 screws, unplug 1 wire on 1 hose, and your blower motor's out. So for install, I'm just gonna take the blower motor, put it up down in here in the hole, 3 screws, plug it in, put the panels back on, and see if it works. But that's how you change a 07 Outlander's blower motor. Alright guys, I didn't record, but literally it's 3 screws, 2 plug-ins. That's if you unhook the regulator. This is like a power regulator for your low, high, medium, and whatnot. It's 2 screws. I didn't replace that because when I noticed my blower wasn't working, I just shut it off and kept it off so I didn't burn nothing up. But it's all mounted, so we're gonna give it a try. Oh yeah, I don't know how well you guys can hear it, but that baby is blowing. So, literally guys, it's a 10, maybe 15 minute job pulling it out. I had pulled mine out last night in under 5 minutes, glove box and everything. So, reinstall literally like 3 minutes, and now I just gotta put the glove box in and the panel back on. But it works, guys. I got heat again. So, don't overpay them shop prices. They wanted over $200 for parts and install. I ordered my blower on rockauto.com. It was 90 bucks with shipping. Part stores around my area wanted 140 to 170. So, yeah, we're gonna shut that back off. But guys, don't overpay. It's a simple job, man. Takes like 20 minutes, and you don't even need nothing but a small, stubby screwdriver. So, hit the like, subscribe, and see you guys in the next one.